How do you find a real estate agent that's right for you? Hi there, my name is Mindy Jensen, and I'm the host of the BiggerPockets Money Podcast. I'm also a licensed real estate agent in Colorado, and I've been investing in real estate since 1998. I've used an agent a time or two, and I've used a couple of really bad ones. Let's learn from my mistakes and help you get a great agent right off the bat. What makes an agent investor friendly? First off, they know investments. Now, this seems kind of a stupid thing to say, but you need an agent who knows the basics of real estate investing. If your agent doesn't know the basics, then they aren't investor friendly. A lot of agents will say they're investor friendly. A lot of agents will say they're anything friendly just to get a client and just to get a sale. But you need somebody who is investment knowledgeable. A truly investor friendly agent can see potential where you may not. They have the creativity to visualize what can be instead of just looking at what is right now. From converting space to extra bedrooms for more rentability, to turning single-family homes into duplexes, as well as finding misentered properties on the MLS, your investor-friendly agent is way more than just knowing what a property is going to rent for. And it just so happens that BiggerPockets has an agent matchmaking service called the Agent Finder that matches you with an investor-friendly agent in your area. You can find it at biggerpockets.com/agents. Now, what are some qualities of a great investor-friendly agent? They are knowledgeable about their market, which we already talked about, but they're also connected to other providers to help you through the transaction. I'm talking lenders, I'm talking inspectors, I'm talking other providers like contractors and repair people if necessary. They take time to listen so that they can help you buy what you're looking for, explain what's available, and feed you the facts about the market conditions in an unvarnished, unsugar-coated manner. You don't need unicorns and rainbows. You need reality, and you need an agent who will share reality with you. A great agent is also easy to communicate in your preferred communication method. If you want to talk on the phone and your agent only wants to send you texts, that's going to be really frustrating for you. On the other hand, if you want text messages and they only want to talk on the phone, that's going to frustrate you too. You want to be able to communicate in the manner that you need most. A great agent has time for you. And this seems a little silly, but if you're constantly calling your agent and not getting an immediate response back, they don't have time for you. You also want somebody who has time to explain things to you, to answer questions in an unrushed manner. You need somebody to allow you to understand what you're buying. You don't need somebody who is trying to push you into property just so they can move on to the next client. And it's really easy to tell when they're doing that. Now, despite your best efforts, you may find an agent that doesn't work out for you. When is it time to part with that agent? When you're frustrated. If you have signed an agreement with your agent, you need to terminate that officially and in writing. Reach out to the agent and just let them know that it isn't working out and you need to cancel your agency agreement with them. If they give you hassle or if they don't respond, reach out to their broker and have their broker terminate it for you. What are some qualities you look for in an investor-friendly agent? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real estate investing advice. For BiggerPockets, this is Mindy Jensen signing off.